Panglao Church. Nice kaayong church. Cute. Nakay-kuan diha mo? It's St. Augustine Parish. St. Augustine Parish yan mo. Dinosaur. There's a big dinosaur over here. Hello. There's a big dinosaur here. Look. Oh, yeah. Oh, scary. Wow, this place is nice. Are you awake now? What? A big dinosaur in the mall. Are you still sleepy? Yeah, are you tired from the beach? Whoa, cool! Dinosaur egg! Woo! Whoa! What dinosaur is this? Is that? Triceratops! Apa? Triceratops!
Where's the other one?
There's a baby dinosaur there too.
Triceratops.
Yeah, kailan na siya anak pa? She knows this. Hala, kanay sa beach din.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice kaayo. So clean. Oh, wow. Wow, this place is nice. Wow, mo add to strip.
Next. Sir, stand by dito. Sunod si James nga naka-red. Sir, just wait. Miss Bea Alonso. Wow, nice kayong outfit ni mamo. Di pang key, pang mulok
Dili
Asia.
gani yun.
Ang Tagiyas Palawan Pawn Shop. Oh, di ba? Sunod, Derek Ramsey.
Oy,
And the last one,
the principal.
the principal. Ma'am, sir, hello, wave your hands. Again, welcome to Bohol. And we are now inside in Hinagdanan Cave, located at Panglao Island, Bohol, Philippines. Mabuhay. Ma'am, sir, where are you from? Wow, mo ni tag-iya slim kit kay? Mahinay. Careful. Ma'am, inigsaka ang ulo dukuha niya, bawal mangutot. Kasunod. Unya bawal mapako ang pinansor. Careful.
Going to the bee farm. Going to the bee farm. Bohol Bee Farm.
Bee Farm.
Cha-ching. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Cha-ching. Oy, naay mga birds. Go to daddy. Go to daddy. Daddy, colorful birds. You like? Which flavor do you like? Choose na. It's our turn. Choose na. Daddy, yun sa kaniya, daddy.
What do you want, Laya?
We have avocado, durian, mango,
Saka avocado.
guyabano, chocolate. You want chocolate? Ube, peanut, melon, salted honey, calamay. Ooh.
Kalama. Kalama.
Ma. Thank you.
No,
What
where's
flavor?
Santa Claus?
Yeah, what flavor do you
I
have?
have Ube.
And mine is mango.
You have mango too.
Melody has mango too. So yummy. Mmm. You like it?
I don't want to
Where are you? Where are you at? You're at the
bee farm.
at the Bohol Bee Farm eating ice cream.
Huh?
Huh? What did you tilap na kay matulog?
We are at the bee farm, but there are no bees. Where are the bees?
Tulading,
Who's malingit?
Me.
yeah? Where's the other ice cream? Where's the mango one? Where's the mango? In your tummy? Oh no. That was mine. Where is it? Where is it? Yummy? You like
I
it?
can't wipe my mouth.
Let's go inside and check it out. Lagi na yung mga bread ko. Oh. Salabat ginger tea. Giveaways. What are these? Oh, it looks so nice. It's a wine holder. 1 4. So nice. What else is here? What else is here? Honey. Yeah, there's honey.
Bees make honey.
One second. What else is here? Honey, peanut butter. Pesto spread.
I have shells.
Yeah, beautiful shells. Look at
I
those.
want to touch those.
Very nice
is what you like.
shells. Yeah, she likes this shell.
You like the shell?
There are shells everywhere. Look,
Yeah,
turtle.
This is your shell. Turtle
What's
shell.
that?
Turtle shell. You like this one? This is a crab shell.
Crab. Crab shell. Look, what's this? Nice kayo lang mga pa crafts nila ba? This lantern looks nice. Look at the star. Star lanterns.
Look at that. Oh,
Look at these stars. They are so nice.
yeah, I know.
And the handmade bags.
Yeah.
And the signs. Quotes. Why are you laughing? What's so funny?